Okay, for this article you need to make sure that you have two different colored highlighters. One color will be used for part 1 and the other color will be used for part 2. And you also need to make sure that the article in front of you is a Lexile 1160. Make sure it's a Lexile of 1160. If it's not, you need to click on the correct video that goes along with the Lexile that is on your paper. What I'll be doing is doing a guided highlighted reading with you, and for each paragraph I will read you a question or two, and I will repeat that question twice, and then I will move on to the next one. To begin, find and highlight the author of the article. Find and highlight the author of the article. Paragraph 1. Find and highlight what the protesters were angry about. Paragraph 1. Find and highlight what the protesters were angry about. Paragraph 2. Find and highlight what the 1033 program has done. Paragraph 2. Find and highlight what the 1033 program has done. Paragraph 3. Find and highlight who has taken advantage of the program. Paragraph 3. Find and highlight who has taken advantage of the program. Paragraph 4. Find and highlight what Fulton County received and what they were used for. Paragraph 4. Find and highlight what Fulton County received and what they were used for. Paragraph 5. Find and highlight what schools and universities have said they need. Paragraph 5. Find and highlight what schools and universities have said they need. Paragraph 6. Find and highlight what critics of the program fear. Paragraph 6. Find and highlight what critics of the program fear. Paragraph 7. Find and highlight what leaders from civic and educational organizations want Defense Logistics Agencies to do. Paragraph 7. Find and highlight what leaders from civic and educational organizations want Defense Logistics Agencies to do. Paragraph 9. Find and highlight what Gwinnett Stop opposes. Paragraph 9. Find and highlight what Gwinnett Stop opposes. Paragraph 10. Find and highlight what public safety officials in Georgia say. Paragraph 10. Find and highlight what public safety officials in Georgia say. Paragraph 11. Find and highlight what John Lester said. Paragraph 11. Find and highlight what John Lester said. Paragraph 12. Find and highlight the benefit of the program. Paragraph 12. Find and highlight the benefit of the program. Paragraph 13. Find and highlight the hours of training officers receive. Paragraph 13. Find and highlight the hours of training the officers receive. Okay, now you need to make sure that you have your second highlighter, because we will be doing part 2 of the questions, which has to do with vocabulary. Paragraph 1. Find and highlight the word that means protesters. Paragraph 1. Find and highlight the word that means protesters. Paragraph 2. Find and highlight the word that means extra or excess. Paragraph 2. Find and highlight the word that means extra or excess. Paragraph 3. Find and highlight the word that means to acquire. Paragraph 3. Find and highlight the word that means to acquire. Paragraph 5. Find and highlight the word that means to make something happen or to force. Paragraph 5. Find and highlight the word that means to make something happen or to force. Paragraph 11. Find and highlight the word that means being ready for something. Paragraph 11. Find and highlight the word that means being ready for something. Okay, now what I need you to do is to go through the article and read it silently to yourself.